Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with an unboxing of some jewelry that I was sent, and I cannot wait to show it to you. I'm going to be featuring a lot of these pieces in upcoming videos, but I want to do an unboxing and show you what I was sent. I am super excited about this, y'all. It's coming from a company called LoxLux Jewelry, and I've been talking back and forth with the owner for a little while now, and she's absolutely the sweetest thing. We are two peas in a pod when it comes to affordable style, because you know I'm all about that. You can look good and not have to spend a whole lot of money, and I'm all about quality too. You want something that looks nice, but then, you know, again, you want to get it at an affordable price. Well, I've hit the jackpot when it comes to this company, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I'm going to post all the links and information down below so that you can go and make your own purchases. And when you do, a portion of it will go to charity, which I am super excited about that. Anytime that I can give back, I'm all about that. So make sure you do. If you know, not for just getting or treating yourself to something nice, but being able to have a portion of your purchase go to the less fortunate. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is this pair of beautiful earrings. These earrings inspired this lace top today. I think these are so classic looking. They are just super cute. They're the classic black and white with the gold hardware on them, and I think this is perfect for spring, with a nice spring dress, Easter dress, or you know, whatever you choose to wear them with. And they're a great transition piece. You can wear these in the daytime and then transition into nighttime attire, or wear them out if you want to. I think they're just absolutely stunning. So what I'm gonna do is unbox all this, because there's tons of stuff in this box that I want you guys to see, and I'm gonna share them with you. And like I said before, I'm gonna be featuring each piece in my upcoming videos so you can actually see what they look like on. And make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video for a nice little giveaway. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Okay, everybody, the first thing I want to show you are these beautiful tassel earrings. She sent me 3 pair. I took the peach colored pair out so that you can actually see how beautiful they are. And I left the other 2 packaged because I wanted you to see how they would be shipped to you if you decided to purchase these. I think that is so amazing. Usually, and this is past experience, when I've gotten tassel earrings, they were just folded up in a package or in a bag and thrown into a box and mailed to me. I love the fact that these come in a nice clear cellophane bag, and the tassels are actually in a plastic tube to keep the tassel from being frayed or creased or anything like that. So these are stunning earrings, y'all. They are absolutely beautiful. I love the gold hardware, and I love how they just flow. And look, these are beautiful. I love this nice nude or sort of goldy kind of taupe color, and I love that nice corally pink color as well. Gorgeous, gorgeous earrings. Next up, we have these beautiful dangle earrings. I love the color of these as well. It's a beautiful sort of rose, deep rose coral color, and I love the gold hardware. These are similar to the ones that I wore in the intro. Beautiful earrings. Again, these are great day to night earrings. Beautiful party dress in the evening, or a nice casual dress during the daytime. I think these will be so stunning, like I said before, for spring. Great color for spring, great piece for spring as well. So let's move on to the next piece. Okay, next we have this beautiful Aquamarine set, It is a necklace and matching ring. This is absolutely stunning. My camera is not doing these pieces justice. They are beautiful. I'm a huge fan of aquamarine. I actually got a ring this past summer for my birthday that was aquamarine, and I think this mimics that piece to the T. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pieces. So again, please go by and check out this site. Oh my gosh, stunning pieces. And here are the beautiful earrings that go with the aquamarine necklace and rings that I showed you earlier. Do you see how the light is catching on those on those earrings? Oh my God, do you see that? How beautiful that is? Oh my God. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh man, look at that sparkle, y'all. Oh. Next up, we have this beautiful dome ring. I think this is such a statement ring. It is beautiful. It's a nice cocktail ring. You can wear this out on the town on a date with the hubby, boyfriend. I think this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my God. I've seen rings like this in some of the fancy jewelry stores. Wishing I could get one, y'all. But this is so pretty. Look at that. I love that. I love how it sparkles. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece, y'all. Y'all, do y'all see this? You see how pretty this ring is? Oh my God. Look at that. Look at how it catches the light. Oh my God. Beautiful piece. Again, this is a nice statement ring. You could wear this in the daytime if you want to work or wherever, but this would be great for a daytime event like a wedding or a nice brunch party or something like that. But this is definitely beautiful for the evening, a night on the town. I love the gold accents, the hardware with the gemstone. Oh my gosh, beautiful. And look, it goes all the way around. How beautiful is that? Love this. Next up, we have another statement ring, y'all. Do you see this? This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this. And again, like the previous ring, it's all the way around. I love this. Oh my gosh, that is so stunning. Can you imagine going out with like one of those little black dresses and having this on with some beautiful earrings? Oh gosh, gorgeous, gorgeous. I cannot wait to style these for you guys. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Okay, next up we have a simple yet stunning modern ring. I think this is so pretty. It says a lot, even though it's just a simple little ring. I think this is so beautiful. I love the rope sort of detail on the band, and I love this stunning little bling design as the center piece of it. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, beautiful. Next, we have this beautiful rose gold and sort of deep pink set. It is absolutely stunning. I love how it catches the light. Look at that sparkle. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. They remind me of sand dollars, and that may be the design, but I think these are so pretty. Look at that ring, y'all. And you can see the rose gold. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty, and rose gold is so trendy and popular these days, so I love this set. Gorgeous. Please go by and check that site out. You'll definitely find something that you'll love there. Here is another gorgeous set. These are so pretty. This is something that you could wear on one of your casual days with a little pop, a nice little bling. I think these are so pretty, and I love the detail on the necklace. You get that beautiful sparkle from the bling, and then it also says together, faith, and love. Oh gosh, I think that is so pretty. This will be great as a gift for like a bride or a bridesmaid, or you know, your girlfriend for a birthday or something like that. I think those are so pretty, and I love the dangle with the bling. You have a nice solitaire here, and then you have the beautiful bling on the circles. I think that is so pretty. Love this. Hey y'all, now these pieces did not come as a set, but I would definitely wear those all together. I love these earrings because these are something that you could do all day, every day. They're just neutral, but all at the same time they say a lot. I would actually wear these with my ring, which I love, of course, but these are beautiful. They'll pair well with what you already have, I think. But like I said, I will rock these with this beautiful ring here. And look at how it sparkles and catches the light, y'all. Look at that. And it pairs well with these. And this tennis bracelet, oh my gosh. I cannot wait to rock this, y'all, because I am a silver person, and I love how stunning this is. Look at that. Look at how it sparkles. That is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it works well with my ring. So again, you can wear these with pieces that you already have. So keep that in mind. If you want to get just a simple piece to add to your collection, most certainly do that. But I think these pieces are just stunning. Love those. Okay, here we are again. We have some beautiful faux diamond jewelry. These are just gorgeous. Do you not see that? Oh my gosh. Again, this is something that I would wear to a cocktail party. This is a beautiful cocktail ring. You can wear it wherever you want to wear it, but this is just stunning. Look at the sparkle in that, y'all. Oh my gosh. Love that. And then these earrings, you could wear these all day, every day. They're just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh gosh. This would be great for a wedding, for a bride or bridesmaids, a mother of the bride gift, mother-in-law to be gift. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous earrings. And again, you can pair this like with the pieces that that were in the previous clip. You could pair it with that or something that you already have. Stunning pieces of jewelry. I mean, absolutely stunning. The quality of this jewelry is amazing. Amazing. Next, we have this beautiful set, the Teardrop Stone. I love this, and I love the design of these earrings. I love that. The necklace is beautiful. I love how it sparkles, and as you can see, depending on how the light hits it, it almost has that beautiful alexandrite look to it, which is sort of like a lavender stone, but it's actually you know, faux diamond like. But I love that. I love how pieces kind of give you different elements there as you wear them. And these pieces you probably could pair with like some of the previous pieces I just showed, like maybe this ring right here, if you wanted to, or yeah, that would work well with it. I think that's pretty. And it actually does the same thing. I guess depending on what you have on, it'll pick the color up. But I think that is so pretty. I love these pieces, y'all. Y'all really have to go and check out what she has. Again, I'm going to have the links down below. So please go by and check them out. Yes, please look at that. Oh my gosh. Next up, we have this beautiful, almost amber colored stone. It's more on the yellow side, and I forget what this particular stone is called. This is stunning. I love the fact that it is with the silver hardware instead of the gold. I think that makes the stone color stand out a lot more, but you have a beautiful ring. How that sparkles and catches the light, y'all. You have a gorgeous bracelet and a beautiful necklace and stud earrings. These are beautiful, y'all. Look at it. Oh my gosh. See how it catches the light? Ugh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to put this with an outfit for you guys to see. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Okay guys, last but certainly not least are these beautiful bangles. These bangles, or bangles like this, are so on trend right now. A lot of people are buying them, stacking them, and just wearing them all day, every day. This is a good piece that you can wear to work and then transition into the evening. I love how this looks. This is almost like, it reminds me of something by Versace. I don't know why I'm picking that vibe up from this, but I think this is absolutely stunning. And this piece right here as well, with the black and gold detail, I think that is just so pretty. Love that. And of course, you cannot go wrong with a pearl. You cannot. I mean, pearl, gosh, get off of there. Pearls go with everything. So I think these pieces are beautiful. And of course, as I said earlier in the intro, I was going to have a giveaway. So I would like you to, let's see what I want you to do. I want you to go and check out the website and let them know that I sent you. Like this video, thumbs up, and just comment below and tell me which pieces were your favorite pieces, and I will put everybody who commented in random.org, or I'll write everybody's name down and pull from a hat, and you will receive these 3 bangles. So like I said, like this video, go over and check out the website, let them know I sent you, and comment below which pieces were your favorite, and be entered into the contest to win, or the giveaway, should I say, to win. But again, make sure you check out the site even if you don't want to win, and make a purchase, because like I said, a portion of it will go to charity, and you can be giving back. So hope you like this video, and until my next one, I'll see you then. Bye.